Laziness rarely arrives loudly. It does not announce itself as a problem. It slips quietly into daily life, disguised as comfort, delay, and harmless rest. It whispers that there is always tomorrow, that there is no rush, that effort can wait. And before a person realizes it, days turn into months, potential turns into regret, and dreams turn into excuses. This is the story of a boy who lived inside that comfort for too long, until life forced him to face the truth about himself. The boy was not weak, untalented, or unlucky. In fact, he had everything he needed to succeed. He was intelligent enough, healthy enough, and surrounded by people who believed in him. But belief alone cannot move someone who refuses to move himself. He spent most of his days lying on his bed, scrolling through his phone, watching others succeed while convincing himself that he would start soon. Soon became his favorite word. Soon he would study. Soon he would work hard. Soon he would change his life. But soon never came. Every morning his alarm rang, and every morning he silenced it without a second thought. He promised himself he would wake up early the next day. He promised himself he would be productive after just a little more rest. He told himself that motivation would magically appear one day and carry him forward. Deep down, he knew he was lying to himself. But the comfort of laziness felt easier than the pain of effort. People around him noticed. Some tried to encourage him, others criticized him, and a few simply gave up. Being called lazy hurt him, but not enough to change. He told himself that others did not understand him, that he was different, that he had time. What he did not realize was that time was quietly moving forward without him. One evening, after another wasted day, he sat alone in his room, surrounded by unfinished plans and broken promises. For the first time, he allowed himself to feel the weight of his choices. He imagined his future if nothing changed. The image was empty. No progress, no respect, no pride, just the same excuses repeating forever. That moment scared him more than any criticism ever could. He began to understand a hard truth. Laziness was not the absence of energy, but the avoidance of responsibility. He was not tired. He was afraid. Afraid of failing. Afraid of trying and discovering he was not as capable as he hoped. Laziness had become his shield, protecting him from disappointment, but also keeping him trapped. The next day, nothing magical happened. He did not wake up full of motivation. He still felt heavy and unmotivated. But instead of waiting for inspiration, he made a small decision. He got out of bed the moment his alarm rang. It felt uncomfortable. His body resisted. His mind complained, but he stood up anyway. That single action was the first time he proved something to himself. He decided not to change everything at once. He knew that grand promises were what failed him before. This time, he focused on small actions. He cleaned his room. He spent a short time learning something useful. He completed one task fully, instead of starting 10 and finishing none. These actions did not impress anyone else, but they mattered deeply to him. There were days when he failed, days when he fell back into old habits, days when laziness returned stronger than before. But instead of quitting, he noticed something new. Each time he started again, it became slightly easier. Discipline began to replace motivation. He learned that motivation is unreliable, but discipline grows stronger with use. As weeks passed, the boy slowly changed. Not dramatically, but steadily. His confidence grew, not because he was perfect, but because he was consistent. He began to respect himself, and that self-respect pushed him forward. The same people who once doubted him started noticing his effort. More importantly, he noticed himself changing. He realized that proving himself was not about showing others his success. It was about showing himself that he could keep his word. Every small task completed was proof. Every early morning was proof. Every moment he chose effort over comfort was proof. He no longer needed validation from anyone else. Laziness did not disappear completely. It still whispered to him on difficult days, but now he recognized it. He understood that laziness grows when you listen to it, and weakens when you act despite it. Action became his answer. Even imperfect action was better than waiting. Over time, opportunities appeared. Not because luck changed, but because he was finally ready to notice them. He had skills now. He had discipline. He had the ability to push himself when things felt hard. The boy who once wasted days now valued every hour. The biggest change was internal. He stopped seeing himself as a lazy person. He understood that labels are dangerous. They become identities if you accept them. He chose a new identity, someone who shows up, someone who tries, someone who does not give up on himself. His journey did not turn him into someone extraordinary overnight, but it turned him into someone dependable, focused, and proud of his effort. And that was enough. True success is not about being better than others. It is about being better than the version of yourself that wanted to quit. If you see yourself in this story, understand this: laziness is not who you are. It is a habit, and habits can be changed. You do not need to wait for motivation. You need to act first. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Confidence changes your life. Prove yourself, not by talking about your plans, but by showing up for them. Not by dreaming endlessly, but by working quietly. The moment you choose effort over comfort, your life begins to change.